first we're going to find partial derivative with respect to x of our function. So that's going to be partial x of cosine of x squared minus sine of 3y. And that's going to be, here we're going to use chain rule. So we take the derivative of cosine function, which is negative sine of x squared, and then multiply by derivative of x squared, which is 2x. And derivative with respect to x of sine of 3y gonna be 0 because it's just constant. So that's gonna be negative 2x times sine of x squared. Now we're gonna find second order partial derivative with respect to x of our function. So it's gonna be partial x of negative 2x times sine of x squared. And we're gonna use product rule. So we take derivative of first term, that's negative 2 times second term, and plus first term times derivative of sine of x squared. And here we're gonna use chain rule. So derivative of sine is cosine of x squared, and times derivative of x squared is 2x. So it's going to be negative 2 sine squared sine x squared minus 4x squared times cosine of x squared. Now we're going to do the same and find partial derivative with respect to y of our function. And it's going to be partial y of cosine of x squared minus sine of 3y. So we take x as constant, so partial derivative with respect to y of cosine of x squared is 0, and partial y of sine of 3y is gonna be negative cosine of 3y, and times derivative of 3y is 3, so that's negative 3 cosine of 3y. Now we're gonna find second order partial derivative with respect to y. So we take partial y of negative 3 cosine of 3y, and that's gonna be partial derivative of cosine of 3y. It's gonna be negative sine of 3y. So we have 3 sine of 3y, and times derivative of 3y is 3. Therefore, that's going to be 9 sine of 3y.